No, no, that's not how it actually works. Would you like to know what actually happens after you donate blood? Do watch till the end. The blood bank, that's us, reach the blood donation camp, where you come like a hero to save lives. Before donating, we start with your basic checkup, where we determine if you're eligible for blood donation. Post this, you donate blood, during which we take full care of your safety. This takes around 10 to 15 minutes. The blood you donated then leaves for its further journey. When your donated blood arrives the blood bank, it undergoes some important tests. 1. Blood grouping. 2. HIV screening. 3. HCV screening. 4. HBsAg screening. 5. VDRL. 6. MP screening. 7. Cross-matching. After this, we separate the different components of the blood, which are then used as per different need of the patients. Blood consists of 7 important components. 1. Whole blood. 2. PCV, packed cell volume, RBC, red blood cell. 3. Platelets. 4. FFP, fresh frozen plasma. 5. Cryoprecipitate anti-hemophilic factor. 6. Single donor platelet-pheresis. 7. Single donor plasmapheresis. After this, the blood pouches are labeled as per different blood groups. A. Yellow. B. Pink. AB. White. O. Blue. Whenever the hospital calls for blood, the blood bank representative reaches the hospital with the blood on time. The donated blood is utilized as per various needs of the patients, like the loss of blood due to injuries, surgeries, medical conditions, and also for chemotherapy. For these and many other such needs, the blood bank delivers blood on time. Along with this, the blood bank is always ready to provide blood for those suffering from thalassemia. In this disease, the patient needs a blood transfusion every 15 to 20 days. Thalassemia is a genetic disorder. When the body is not able to produce necessary amounts of protein, hemoglobin, this disorder of blood occurs. We provide free services to such patients. Other relief work done by the organization: Corona Public Awareness Program, free health checkup camps, hemoglobin checkup camps, free medicines made available to anemic patients. And this becomes possible only when you generously come forward and donate blood. There are no side effects of donating blood. Instead, donating blood improves your heart's health. It increases your RBC count, lowers the chances of developing cancer, keeps you healthy, and you get a free health checkup. Donate blood, save lives.